So the purpose of this video is to show you how to edit a document assignment that I would assign to class, where in very similar fashion to how you download documents from Cengage MindTap for the projects, I will occasionally post a Microsoft Word document that I want you to edit and then re-upload as a part of a class assignment or a bell ringer. So follow these steps and it will show you exactly what to do. The first thing is to go to the assignment, and instead of just clicking the document assignment, I advise you to open up the actual assignment. So don't just click here, open up the actual assignment so you have everything in front of you. What you're going to want to do is open the file, and instead of going in, you can't really do anything with the file right here. All you can do is view it. You're going to need to go over to the three dots over on the side for more actions. Click on those three dots and open that file or open that document in a new window. So once you've done this, don't go to open in Google Docs, because even though you use Google Docs in a lot of cases for your documents and you can edit, you actually need to open this in Microsoft Word, because that's the skill we're learning and we're working in Microsoft Word. It is different than Google Documents. And so what you're going to want to do is you're going to click the download arrow. When you click that, it's going to allow you to download it, and the file will actually show up down at the bottom. But instead of going there, what I want you to do is you need to know where it's at in just the same fashion as when you are downloading Cengage, your Cengage MindTap projects. Click on the File Explorer, go to Documents, and go to Downloads, and then sort by date modified, and you're going to see the most recent thing you downloaded, and in this case it's going to be that file, the Halloween Extravaganza invitation. In this case, I've downloaded two. That's why you end up with the first one, and anytime you download a duplicate, it's going to add one with a separate number 1 to it. So if you have an updated, or if you downloaded it twice, sometimes advisors go ahead and delete the extra one by hitting the delete key, highlight it and hit the delete key and open up your original one. And in this case, you always need to click Enable Editing, just to make sure, wants to make sure that you're not opening something with the virus. And you'll make whatever changes I put in the document. In this case, I didn't put anything. This is just an example. But again, this is where you would change fonts and center things and make it whatever the instructions tell you to do, and very similar to a project. When doing this, typically it won't have more than 3 to 5 different projects or different assignments or tasks I want you to do, but it is important that you make those changes, and then very importantly, you go through and either you hit the Save button up here, which will automatically save your document for you once you hit it before you close out, or you go to File, Save, and it will save your document. That way, when you close it out, it saves your progress on that document. So if you click down the folder again under it's going to show up in your downloads folder. It shows an updated copy that you just went ahead and made those changes to. And again, if you ever need to go back and access that at any other time, because maybe you close out the folder, it's going to be located under File Explorer, Documents, Downloads, and the file. So once you've made the changes, just like in Cengage MindTap, you're going to need to re-upload it. But in this case, you need to re-upload it to your Google Classroom account. So you're going to go back into Google Classroom and go back to the homework assignment. You close out that document, and then what you're going to do is click Add or Create, and you're going to add a file. So go to Add or Create, go to File, and it's going to want you to upload the file. So you're going to choose Upload, select File from your device, and you're going to go back to that same folder. Now in this case, it came up automatically for you. Sometimes it will come up automatically because it's the most recent place you've uploaded from. In this case, you would hit Halloween Extravaganza invitation. But if it does not come up automatically, it's the same thing as when you look for it on your actual computer. It's going to be Documents, Downloads, sort by date modify, the most recent one with the name of the document you're looking for. You highlight it, you hit Open. And then after you hit Open, you need to come down here and hit Upload. If you actually close out of this, it won't upload. So Upload. You're going to see it uploading the file, and then it's going to remind you, but then you need to go ahead and turn it in. Once you've turned this in, I'll have the assignment. This is just an easy way for us to practice some of the Microsoft Word editing skills without necessarily using some of the lengthier projects that are provided in Cengage MindTap. This also gives me the opportunity to, in some cases, if we feel that we don't need to have one of the lengthier projects, or we need to catch up, I can create a shorter project that covers things that I think you most need to do. So watch this video. This will be saved on your Google Classroom. To allow you to know exactly when I assign one of these. I'll redirect you to this video to show you exactly what I need to do, and you can access this course anytime from your phone or at home or in the classroom. So thanks and have a great day.